certified pre-owned 2011 Ford F-150. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. With Ford certified pre-owned vehicles, peace of mind comes standard, featuring a 172-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, vehicle history report, 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty coverage. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Lumberton Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5045 Dawn Drive, Lumberton, North Carolina 28358.